Firebird, I am flame, call my light, speak my name.
Firebird, firebird,
I am light, I am word.
I don't stay, I don't belong.
I am fire, I am song.
Firebird in the night, burning gold, rising light.
Touch the apple, take it slow.
Leave a flame and let it glow.
Don't hold on, don't make it stay.
It will choose its own way. In my father's garden stands a tree, one golden apple for all to see. Every night it disappears.
Guard it well, said the king, no fears.
My brothers came but they fell asleep. I stayed awake, my watch to keep. At midnight light fell from the sky.
A bird of fire was flying high.
It touched the apple with a flame. I reached out but it never came. Only one bright feather stayed in my hand, the fire it made.
In the morning I said, it's true,
A bird of fire is passing through.
the king replied, then bring it here.
Without that bird no
Fruit this year.
Firebird,
Don't belong to me,
firebird,
flying wild and free. If I hold you, light will fade. If I free you, gold will stay.
firebird,
Show me where to go,
firebird.
all I need to know. What is given will return, what is free will always burn.
I walked by night, the feather showed a shining light along the road. A silent palace came inside. Open doors, but no one inside.
Within a golden cage I found the firebird without a sound. I opened it and stepped inside. The bird stood still, it did not fly.
Do not take her, a voice then said.
I turned and saw her by the gate.
She is not yours to keep.
She spoke, not something bound, not something owned.
She takes our apple, I was sent.
The king has spoken.
This is meant.
She does not take, she gives it back.
Without her,
Life is what you lack.
if I take her, will fruit remain?
No, the tree will stand in vain.
firebird,
I am flame,
call my light,
speak my name.
firebird,
Firebird, I am light, I am word. I don't stay, I don't belong. I am fire, I am soul.
I closed the cage, then opened wide, and stepped away, stood to the side.
Fly, I said, you can go free.
The firebird rose and circled me.
She chose you now, the princess said.
Where she flies,
My path is led,
where the firebird lights the sky.
that is where my heart will lie.
firebird,
Don't belong to me,
firebird,
flying wild and free. If I hold you, light will fade. If I free you, gold will stay.
firebird,
Show me where to go,
firebird,
all I need to know. What is given will return, what is free will always burn.
break of day.
The garden still, the apple gone.
The tree stood bare in morning light.
Without its glow, without its form,
The firebird flew and touched the tree,
light spread through every branch we see.
where one apple used to grow.
Now 1,000 start to glow. It cannot live inside a cage.
It comes and goes, it finds its way.
Firebird across the sky,
Where it flies,
hearts follow high. What is free?